What's up guys? My name is Brendan and today I want to teach you how to build your very own tricking combo. First, I'll be going over the basics, what it means to combo and how to link tricks together. Next, I'll be going over how you can change the terminal positions of tricks to combo any two tricks together. Next, I'll be talking about how you can switch out your tricks to change up your combos and how you can scale up your tricks to make your combos harder. Finally, I'm going to talk about how the more tricks you can collect, the more combos you're able to produce. And I'll be showing you guys some of my personal favorite combos. With all that said, let's get started. First, I want to talk about the basics, what it means to do a tricking combo and how you can link tricks together. Essentially, tricking athletes collect different tricks and then link them back to back to perform combinations. To link two tricks together, all you need to do is to end one trick in the starting position of the next one. For example, let's take the hook kick as our trick. The hook kick starts in a fighter's stance with your chest facing the left. A lot of trickers will call this front side stance. Then, after performing a hook kick, you then end in the very same position you began, in that fighter stance with your chest facing the left, or a front side stance if you twist to your left like me. Next, I want to talk about how you can link tricks back to back, now that you know the initial position and the terminal position. For example, let's take the combo tornado kick, hook kick, touchdown rise, cheat gainer. The tornado kick ends in that fighter stance with your chest facing the left, also a front side stance if you twist to your left. Then you perform the hook kick and end in that very same position, which is a great position to start your touchdown rise. By linking tricks back to back, by knowing their initial and terminal positions, you're able to perform a combo. And that's the basics. You just need to perform one trick into the next by linking the terminal position of one to the initial position of the other. Second, I want to talk to you guys about how you can change your positioning to combo any trick you want. In the example combo I did earlier, I did a hook kick to a touchdown rise, ending that hook kick in a left side fighting stance, which is a perfect position to start my touchdown rise. Next, I'm going to switch it up and change my setup. Instead of doing a touchdown rise, I'm going to do a master scoot. To do that, I need to change the terminal position of my hook kick. Instead of ending in that fighter stance, I need to let that leg keep going backwards after the hook kick to end me in a nice stag, to launch me into my master scoot. When you do a combo, there's a ton of subtle little position changes that you need to do to perform the combo effectively. Don't get too trapped into the form of one trick, because chances are to combo it, you're going to need to change it in the beginning or the end. That's what makes tricking so interesting and so difficult. Linking one trick to the next is incredibly difficult because you have to make a ton of subtle little changes. But that's the importance of position changing in regards to performing combos. Third, I want to talk to you guys about how you can switch up your tricks to make your combos more diverse. For example, let's take the combo we did earlier. Tornado kick, hook kick, touchdown rise, cheat gainer. We can switch up that combo by changing the hook kick with another trick that has the same initial and terminal positions. For me, that's going to be the E kick. I could switch out this combo by instead doing tornado kick, E kick, touchdown rise, cheat gainer. Or I could switch up the setup like we did earlier and do tornado kick, E kick, master scoot, cheat gainer. Either way, switching up the combo with tricks that have very similar initial and terminal positions is a great way to make your combos more diverse, which makes you look even better as a tricking athlete. Fourth, I'll be talking to you guys about how you can scale up your combos to increase their difficulty. Again, we'll be working with the same example combo: tornado kick, hook kick, touchdown rise, cheat gainer. We could beef up and scale up the start of that combo by changing out our tornado kick for a cheat 9. And we could swap out the ending to make it a little bit more explosive by doing a cork instead of just a normal cheat gainer. Just by making those two little changes, we end up with a totally different combo that has a far more explosive start and a far more impressive finish. When you're learning tricking combos and you're scaling them up, it often helps to start with the lower level combo and scale up individual tricks as you're learning. And that's one thing that makes tricking, again, so fun and so difficult. You can just keep scaling up a combo until it gets harder and harder. The fifth and final thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is collecting. The more tricks you collect, the more combos you're able to perform. And the relationship isn't linear, it's exponential, because you can switch out the combos with different combinations and permutations of skills, or you could just repeat skills or switch them up. There's a ton of different options. Comboing is what makes tricking so diverse and also so difficult. The more tricks you collect, the more combos you're able to perform, and the higher level tricks you collect, the more you're able to throw them into your combos to make the beginning or ending even more impressive. Now guys, I'm gonna end by showing you some of my personal favorite combos. Like I said, doing combos is extremely fun and one of the most rewarding parts of tricking. I completely encourage you guys to go out, learn some combos, and let me know in the comments down below what your favorite thing to see in a combo. Because personally, I like seeing a lot of level changes and acrobatic to martial tricks back to back. But that's just me. Everybody has their own taste. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enjoy and have a lovely day.